Hi, I am Manish. Today I am going to show you how to solve this wormhole cube. If you notice, there are inner pieces in this cube, and it is very interesting puzzle. So there are two different features of this cube. One is the edge pieces of outer cube you can move without changing inner pieces. So if you look at this is green. So if I change this, the inner pieces doesn't change. So if you look at from this angle also, I'll show you. So this edge also, if I move from here, so inner pieces will remain the same. You can change the outer pieces without disturbing inner pieces. So this is one feature. Second, there is one corner which is fused. So we need to identify that corner because it is very important to identify that corner. You can identify before scrambling it or after scrambling it also. So first we need to identify which corner is fused corner. So it's like, see, if we look at any of the side, let's say if we are looking at this side, so if I move from here, it doesn't change other pieces, inner pieces. So this is green, so all inner pieces, if I move from here, doesn't change except this. If I move from here, it doesn't change inner pieces. So this and this two corners are not fused corner. Now I can try with this. So I have to try all corners. So from here, if I move from here, inner pieces are getting changed. So it could be this or this corner. Okay, now we'll see from here also whether if I change this, if I move from here, so it doesn't change the inner pieces, and if I move from here, it doesn't change the inner pieces except this. So out of these two pieces, because we have checked this also, so it doesn't change. So this, out of these two pieces, one is fused one. So in your cube it could be different corner piece which is fused. So in my case, I think I'll just check with this. So if I move from here, it doesn't change this piece. So I think this is not the fused one. Now I'll check with this. So this is green, orange and yellow. So if I move from here, you can see all inner pieces, three pieces are getting changed. So and if I move from here, so all inner pieces are getting changed, and from here also I'll see. So this, all inner pieces are getting changed. So this corner, basically this entire thing is fused. So in my case it is orange, yellow and green. In your cube it could be different piece. So you need to identify the fused corner first, so that now I know that green, orange and yellow corner is fused one. Okay, so now first let us scramble it. Okay, so now it is scrambled properly. So the first step is to identify that fused corner. If you have not identified before scrambling it, you can still identify that. You need to identify whether if you are moving this side, does it change the other pieces also except this. So yes, it changes. So it could be this or this, all, I mean it could be either of these corners. So from here if you look at, it doesn't change anything. So this green and white remains the same. So these are not the fused corner. So out of this 4 now you need to identify. So if you look at this corner, white, green and green and red, it changes the entire thing. So it could be this, or if you look at from this angle, it doesn't change the other pieces. So this is not the fused one, right? So either of this or this. So this 2 could be now your fused one. So now from this angle if you look at, so if you look at this, it doesn't change anything. So here it is orange and white, so it doesn't change anything if you move this layer. So that means this is not the fused one. Okay, so this is the fused one, because if you look at this changes the entire inner pieces. If you look at if you move from this, it changes the entire all 3 inner pieces. So and from this angle also if you look at, it changes the inner pieces. So this is the fused one. So fused corner we need to first, now the first step is to reduce the fused corner. So first we need to align the centers. So this is aligned, this is aligned. Okay, so now we have aligned the centers with the fused corner. Now we have to fix the edge pieces. So we have 1, 2 and 3 edge pieces which we need to fix. Okay, so here it should be orange and yellow. So where is orange and yellow? Orange and yellow is here. Okay, so what we can do is we can take this up. As I said that if we move middle layer, it doesn't change the inner pieces. So we'll take this out of the way and bring this back. So our center will remain same. Okay, so now we have this yellow and orange piece over here. So now what we'll do is, we have kept it on top right and we have to place it here. So simply what we have to do is, we have to bring this up like this, and now simply bring it down, sorry, align this and now bring it down. But if we'll bring it down, so simply you have reduced this edge piece. You can see inner piece is also orange and here it is yellow. So this is reduced. Now we have to reduce this orange and green one. So here it should be orange and green one. So orange and green is here. So simply take this out of the way on left side or right side, and now we'll take this up like this and simply bring this here and now bring it back. So this is also reduced. Okay, so now we are left with last edge piece, that is yellow and green. I hope you can see inner pieces. So yellow and green. So yellow and green is, where is yellow and green? Okay, yellow and green is here. Okay, yellow and green is here. So we'll have to simply take this on top and we have to place it over here. Okay, I'll just show you one more case wherein your edge is flipped. So in this case I'll just show you, this is yellow and green, right? And if we want to move this, we'll have to take it up, and now we can simply bring it here. But here you can see, if I bring this down, you will realize that this piece is flipped. So this is yellow and this is green, and on top it is yellow and green. So this piece we need to flip. So simply what we have to do is, we'll have to take this out of the way, bring it back. Okay, and now what we have to do is, we have to simply flip this piece. So this is our fused part, so we have to keep it on back side left and left side on back, and this is our front. So F R U R prime U prime and F prime. So this will flip the edge piece. Okay, so now what we can do is, we can simply bring this up and place it here and bring this back. So now you can see our this fused part is solved. Here it is, if you can see, inner pieces also it is solved. So this fused part is solved. Okay, so now we have to keep it on left side. I'll just show you on 3x3. It's like, suppose this is your fused part, green, red and yellow. So this entire thing is fused, this block is fused. So now we have to use top layer, front layer and right layer only to solve the entire cube, because this is fused. So now in this case also we have to, this is our fused block, so we have to use top layer, front layer and right layer only to solve the entire cube. Okay, so now next part is to fix the other edges. So this is our fused block, and now we have to fix the other edges of this side. So this is, let's say, our bottom side. So we need to fix these two edges, and then we need to fix the corners. So first we need to fix the edge, inner and outer edge. We can fix both together. So here it should be yellow and red. Okay, so we need to find where is inner yellow and red. Yellow and red inner piece is here, and outer yellow and red is here. Okay, so what we can do is, we can try to this is opposite of each other, so we can try to place it from this angle like this, and it is matched. And now what we have to do is, we have to simply bring this, turn into this side, so it matches with this yellow and red. But now if we move this will not change the inner piece. So if you look at this, this has white and red, so the red and yellow remains here only, so it doesn't change. So how to place it? So simply what we have to do is, we have to again place this back, so that our fused block should not get disturbed. Okay, so this is our fused block, we have to keep it left back only, and now from here we can place it. So this is our yellow, we have matched with the center. You can see inner yellow and red is here, and now from here we can place it. So now you can see the yellow inner side, red inner side, yellow outer side and red outer side. So both the pieces are now solved. So similarly we have to fix this yellow and blue. So here it should be yellow and blue piece, outer and inner. So yellow and blue outer is here. Okay, it is already matched here. So this is our fuse block. So from here we will have to do the same thing which we have done in this to place this. So simply we have to bring it down and match it with center. You can see this is matching it with center, and bring it, turn it down and bring this back because we moved it. So now we can see our inner pieces and outer pieces are solved of first edges, first layer edges are solved. Now we have to fix the corners only of first layer. So it is very simple, like 3 by 3 you can place the corners. So here it is green, yellow and red. So green, yellow and red, green, yellow and red is here. Okay, so first we'll fix here yellow, blue and red, yellow, blue and red. So this piece will come here. Okay, while placing this piece we need to remember this is our fuse block and we do not have to touch it. So we have to place this yellow, red and blue over here. So we have to use R and U only. So top layer and right layer only, and this is on left hand side. So it is R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, again R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, U prime. So this is fixed. Okay, now we have to fix this. This is our fuse block and we have to fix this. This is yellow, green and red. So yellow, green and red is here. We need to fix it from here only. So it is R, U, R prime, U prime. We are not touching this block. Again R, U, R prime, U prime. So this is also fixed. Now we have to fix the last corner. So the fuse block is here and this is our last corner we need to fix. So it is yellow, blue and orange. So it is already there but it is rotated. So now we have to use it from this angle. This is our block, fuse block, and we have to now use it from this angle. So it is L prime, U prime, L, U, again L prime, U prime, L, U, L prime, U prime, L, U, L prime, U prime, L and U. So this is our first layer is solved. Okay, so now we have to fix the second layer edges, inner and outer edges. First layer is already done. So now we have to fix the second layer. So yellow and green and red. So green and red, where is green and red? Green and red is here. Okay, and this is our fuse block. So this is green and red. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to take this on top and then we'll have to replace it with other edge piece. Okay, so how to do it? Because if we try to place it from here, this corner will change. Okay, so first we'll see which all corners, which all edges are on top, which we can fix it over here. Okay, this is already fixed. This we need to fix. This is blue and red. That is, that is also on in second layer, and green and red. So and blue and orange, blue and orange. Okay, so no pieces are there on top, so we need to move this on top. Okay, so now I'll introduce you to new algorithm which will move this and this, which will swap this two edge pieces. So there are two version, right side and left side version. So considering the fuse block, we need to use it. So the first I'll just show you on right hand side version. So this is our, let's say this is our blocked fuse block, and we have to use front, top and right only, right? So I'll just show you how to swap these two edges without using this layer, because if we have to swap these two edges, or probably two edges like this, so we need to use the left and right both the edges. But since we have fuse block, we can not use the left version, left layer. So this is right hand side version. I'll just show is R2U, RIU, R2U, RI2U, RUI and RI. So now you can see this red and blue edge piece has come on top, and this white and blue has come into its place, this side. So this two, both the edges are swapped, and we have not disturbed the second layer back side. You can see this. So similarly we'll use the same format, same formula to swap this two. So this is our fused version, we'll keep it on left back, and now we have to bring this out on top. So we'll use the same algorithm, that is R2U, RIU, R2U, RI2U, RUI and RI. So this will, you can see this will bring this red and blue edge piece on third layer, and it is replaced with white and red. So now we'll use the same algorithm to bring this piece also on top layer. So what we'll do is we'll bring first all the edges of second layer on top layer. Okay, so this is fused one, so we have to use from this angle only. So we'll fix this two, we'll swap this two. So it is R2U, RIU, R2U, RI2U, RUI and RI. Okay, so this also has bring this orange and blue on top. Okay, so now we are left with this third one, which we can replace it with white and green, and this is our fuse block, so we'll have to use it from this. Okay, so now I'll show you the left side version. This is, I showed you from right hand side how to swap this, but since this is our fused version, fused block, we have to swap this from left side. So I'll show you left side version. So it is similar to right side, but it is mirror version. So it is L prime 2U, L U, L prime 2U, L 2U, L prime, U and L. Okay, so this is left side version, which replace the yellow, green and red edge piece on top and white and green over here, and our fuse block is not disturbed. Okay, so now we have all the edges on top, which we need to place it in second layer. Okay, so now we have to place red and green over here. So red and green is here. Now this is red and green, and this is also red and green. Okay, so how to place it? So first what we'll do is we have to bring this is our fuse block, so this is, we need to match it with this. So we'll keep this in front and we'll rotate this piece on this side. Okay, so it should be on opposite of this. Inner side is, you can see it is green and red, and here it is green and red outer side. So what we'll do is we'll bring this piece over here, I mean opposite of this. So it is R, U, R prime, U, R, 2U, R prime. Okay, so now we can see green and red is here, and inner piece green and red is here. Okay, so now you can place this piece simply like this, but this will change the below layer. So what we'll have to do is we have fixed this inner and outer edges, but now we have to place this pieces on left or right side, so that we cannot disturb this layer, otherwise this layer will be disturbed. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to first place this into left or right. So what we have to do is I don't have to disturb this one, so I'll bring this in front, and now I'll replace this yellow and green over this side or this side. So simply R, U, R prime, U, R, 2U and R prime. So it moved to left side. Okay, and now what I can do is I can undo the setup move which I have done. So it was here, and now I can bring this back. So now you can see all our first layer is not disturbed, and we have moved this green and red piece edge over here. Okay, now we have to place this red and green over here. So okay, so now I showed you how to swap these two edges from here, but there is a catch. If you look at this is red and green, and here it is red, so I'll have to fix it from here, but here it is a fuse block, so I can't use it from this side. So it's similar to this situation, wherein this is a fuse block, and this is red and yellow edge piece, which I need to place it here. But if I place it from this side, the red will come here and yellow will come here, so it will be flipped. So simply what I have to do is I have to rotate this piece. So it's F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. Okay, so now you can see yellow and red piece is flipped, and from here now I can place it like this. So it is R, 2U, RI, U, R, 2U, RI, 2U, R, UI, and Ri. So now you can see it is placed. So in this case also we'll have to do the same thing. I need to first this is our fuse block, so I need to first flip this edge. So F R U R I U I F I. So this is flipped, and now from here I can place this edge piece. So this is our fuse block. So R2U RI U R2U RI 2U R UI and RI. So this is placed. Okay, so now we are left with the last edge piece of second layer, second edge piece of second layer. We need to fix the third one also. Okay, so red and blue. Okay, red and blue edge piece inner side is here, so we need to first bring it out. So where can we place it? So this is our fuse block, so we can replace it with this, so we can bring this out. So R2U RI U R2U RI 2U R UI and RI. Okay, so our red and blue inner side pieces is on top, and now we have to place it with this. Okay, so first we need to see whether we cannot directly put here, because we need to first flip this, because the red side is on this side and blue is on top. So first we need to flip it, and this is our fuse side. Okay, so this is our fuse side, and now we have to flip it. So F R U R prime U prime and F prime. Okay, so we flip this, but at the same time we flipped this also. So again we have to flip it, keeping this on left hand side. F R U R prime U prime and F prime. Okay, so now you can see this is blue and red, this is blue and red. So we can simply place it like this. So this is reduced, and since we moved this middle layer, we do not want to disturb this. So what we'll do is we'll bring this in front, and we'll rotate this edge piece either on this side or this side, so keeping this in front. So we need to place this edge piece over this side or this side. So it is R U R prime U R 2U R prime. Okay, so it moved out, and now we can undo the setup move and bring this back. So our bottom layer is not disturbed. Okay, so now we have this edge is reduced, so now we can place it over here. So it is 2U R prime U R 2U R prime 2U R U prime R prime. So this is placed. Okay, now orange and blue is here. Where is orange and blue? Okay, so inner edge piece is here only, so we need to take this out. So we'll replace it with this. So it is R Oh, we can't do it from here because this is fused one. You can see this, if I move this, the entire thing is changed, so I can't move it from here. Okay, so this is our fuse block, so I'll have to use this one. So it is L 2U L prime, sorry L U, sorry U prime, L prime 2U L 2U L prime U and L. So this has come out blue and orange. Blue and orange is here. So this is blue and orange. We need to reduce it with this. Now if you look at this, orange is on top and this is also on top. So this, we need to flip either of this. So first we need to place it on on left or right side, so that we can flip it. So first we need to see which one is our fuse. This is our fuse one. So R U R prime U R 2U R prime. Okay, so this has moved out, orange and blue, it is moved out. So now I can flip this, keeping this in left, and this is our fused one. So F R U R prime U prime and F prime. Okay, so now I can place it. So this is our blue and orange, and this is our blue and orange inside H piece. So what I can do is I can simply put this over here on this, and it is reduced. Okay, so now I have to keep this edge piece out of the way, either left or right side. So what I'll do is, I don't want to disturb this, so I'll keep this in front. So I'll use this setup move, I'll keep this in front, and I'll move this piece on left or right side. So it is R U R prime U R 2U R prime. So it moved out, and now I can undo the setup move, and now I'll bring this back so that our bottom layer is not disturbed. Okay, so now our last edge, second layer edge, blue and orange, we need to fix it, and this is our fuse block. So this is left hand side version, so we need to swap this too. So it is L prime 2U L U, sorry U prime L prime 2U L 2U L prime U and L. Okay, so this is also placed. So our two layers, first and second layers, are fixed. Okay, so now we are left with last layer. So first we need to reduce the edge pieces. We have this is white and orange. This is already reduced. This is green and white. So white and blue, we need to reduce this. This is white and blue. Okay, so what we can do is, we can bring this in front, white and blue inner side, and white and green, sorry, and we can place this white and green outer side over here, and this is already reduced, so we can place it over here, and then we can bring this space over right hand side, so that this is not reduced. So we can place it over in front of this and bring this back. So I'll just show you how to do it. So first we'll reduce this white and green piece. So this is reduced. Okay. Since this is reduced, but this we have moved out, I mean from bottom we have moved up, so I don't want to disturb this. So what we'll do is we'll bring it in front like this. So this is my front, and now I have to bring this white and green on the edge piece which is not reduced. So this is not reduced, this is blue and white and red, so this is not reduced, so I'll have to bring this over this side and this will be on this side. Okay, so R U R prime U R 2U and R prime. Again I'll have to do one more time so that this will come over here. So R U R prime U R 2U and R prime. So now the unsolved edge piece is here. Now I'll have to undo the setup move which I have done and bring this back. Okay, what this will do is this will automatically reduce this also, white and blue, and this is also reduced. So all the edge pieces are reduced. Now you can see this all the edge pieces are reduced. Okay, so now our next step is to flip all the pieces. So it is simply we have to do F R U R prime U prime F prime. So this is reduced, so we'll bring this on this side, and F R U R prime U prime and F prime. Again F R U R prime U prime and F prime. So all edges are now flipped. Now we have to place the edges into its correct position. So okay, so now next step is to rotate the corners of top layer, and we need to find this is white on top, so we need to find the corner which has top color on right hand side top. So this is our fuse block, so it is R U R prime U R 2U R prime. So now we can see it all reduced. Okay, so now if you look at this, these two corners are swept. So these two corners are swept, and this is our fuse block, and we need to swap this too, but we can't use cuboid algorithm, so we need to use T-pump algorithm, which will swap this two and this two edge pieces. So it is R U R prime U prime R prime F 2R U prime R prime U prime R U R prime and F prime. So this will swap this two, and our corners are fixed. Okay, so now next step is to fix the edge pieces. So this is blue and red, so we need to swap this two. So we have to use swapping algorithm of side by side edge pieces, that is, and this is our fuse block, so it should be left back. So this is 2R U 2R U 2R 2U 2R 2U 2R U 2R UI 2r. So this is fixed, this is fixed. Now these two edges are also fixed, but we have to fix these two edges as well. So bring this, don't move second and third layer, you have to hold it like this only, and this two edge pieces we need to swap again. So we'll swap this two and this will automatically will be swapped. So 2r u, 2r u, 2r 2u, 2r 2u, 2r u, 2r ui, 2r, and our cube is solved. So if you have any query, you can message me. Thank you very much.